What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Thanks for tuning in. Today in this video, guys, we are going to show you about Ren protocol. What is Ren protocol? Well, it's, in my opinion, one of the cheapest and easiest ways to send multi-asset cryptos to different chains. This one, in my opinion, is probably one of your best multi-chain bridges. And we're going to show you guys how to use it and what Ren is. I've already done a couple videos on Ren. This was like months ago, actually, and this one's kind of coming across again because people are asking, hey, how do you swap native BTC or wrapped BTC the cheapest way in a decentralized way? Well, we're going to show you guys how to do that with Ren. First off, if you guys are new to the channel and want $100 in free BTC, how do you do that? Well, first you need to like, subscribe, and hit that bell button and leave a comment below saying you subscribe. You'll automatically get thrown into that drawing to earn $100 in free BTC. Let's go and get into it, guys. Let's explain it and show you guys how to use it. So first off, you guys have a couple of options. You can use Bitcoin, Bitcoin Trash, Doge, Zcash, Digibyte, Filecoin, and Terra Luna now. Yes, Terra Luna. So you can actually get Terra Luna and bring it on to, well, Terra, or you can bring it from Ethereum, you can bring it from Polygon, Binance Smart Chain. These are all the different chains where you can buy Terra on. So this is another decentralized way where you can get any of these tokens. We're going to show you guys how to do this. For example, let's say we want to mint some BTC and we have some BTC and we want to bring it onto the Polygon chain. Well, first off, you need to have native BTC, so aka a Bitcoin wallet. This can be something like the XDeFi wallet, which is right here, or it can be like a Coinbase wallet. It can be a wallet like Trust Wallet, or any wallet that you just have in your, well, wallet that has a Bitcoin address. So it can even be something like a Ledger as well. Once you then have your tokens on Bitcoin, you will then select which network you want it on. Do you want it on Binance Smart Chain, Phantom, Polygon, Avalanche, Ethereum, Solana, whatever you want. Doesn't matter. Then you connect your MetaMask. Because, well, why do you guys do the MetaMask? Well, in general, your MetaMask, most chains are going to be on your MetaMask. So if you select Ethereum, Avalanche, Polygon, etc., it's automatically going to populate it. So Polygon's going to bring the MetaMask wallet up. And if you select Solana, it'll probably bring, yep, there it is, the Solet wallet. We're going to show you guys an example with Polygon. So now we have our wallet connected. If you go to the next screen, you need to select how much Bitcoin you want to deposit. Say, for example, you just want to do 1 Bitcoin. It will show you the fee is only going to be 0.0015, or I'm sorry, 0.15%. So the fee is very minimal. So to print 1 Bitcoin on, well, Ren VM is going to be about $68. Well, dude, that is really cheap, especially for the price of Bitcoin right now. And then, of course, you have the Bitcoin miner fee to send the transaction through. And then you'll have the Ethereum gas fee. The Ethereum gas fee is a transaction you have to make because we're sending it to Ethereum. But if we choose Polygon, for example, it'll be cheaper, or even Binance Smart Chain. So let's show you guys Binance Smart Chain. So we hit next. And as you guys can see, the BNB fee is the same thing. Well, not the same thing, but it's way cheaper. Now you say, okay, I acknowledge it requires BNB. So you have to have BNB in your wallet for this to be received. And you need to be able to afford the BTC mining fee. Once you do this, you do view gateway address. And then it will show you an address where you send the Bitcoin to. You scan this QR code with your Bitcoin address. Or you can easily just copy the gateway address. It's up to you what you want to do. So once you send the Bitcoin to this address, it's going to be received at your Ethereum address. And it takes about 6 or 7 block confirmation times. So this is a bit longer process. I would say about 30 minutes to keep in mind. So now once you've done that, your tokens will show up on, well, Polygon, Ethereum, whichever chain you want to send it on. And that's it. And you can do the opposite. So if you ever want to take your wrapped Bitcoin that you have on, let's say, Matic or on Binance Smart Chain, or even wrap Terra Luna, for example, on Ethereum, and you want to bring it to the Terra chain, well, it's super easy to do. All you do is you select the Ren balance or the BTC balance that you have. Or, for example, if you don't want to do BTC, we can even just say Luna. and you say, hey, I want to release all my Luna, or in fact, this is minting Luna. So we want to say we want to release our Luna. So we'll select Ren Luna, and we'll release the Ren Luna. All you have to do literally for this step is, if I'm sending Ren Luna from Ethereum to, well, my Luna address, all I have to do is pay the Ethereum gas fee and the small 0.15%, well, bridge fee. And once you enter the Luna address you're sending it to, you hit next, and then it'll show you the transactions that you will be paying. The reason why it won't populate for me right now is because I have no Ren Luna. It's pretty simple, self-explanatory, easy to do. And I know you're asking yourself, okay, that was really cool. That was informative. But what the pants is the point of the Ren token? I'm glad you asked. If you go on the Ren token, if you want to run one of these dark nodes, aka the haymakers, the guys who basically get that 0.15% swap fee, well, check this out, guys. If you want to run a dark node, all you had to have is 100,000 Ren. That's not a lot at all. Actually, guys, it's about $42,000 at the time of the making of this video. So what's the use case of the coin other than that? Well, the reason why I'm getting a little more bullish on the Ren token, I hear of mentions of possibly having staking coming soon for smaller holders. So like, the people who don't hold 100,000. But anyways, because there's only 10,000 possible dark nodes that can be created with that total amount of Ren. And you can bet your bunnies, like, dude, especially when this coin gets to a certain price, people are going to be buying it up, because at times for each epoch, they're making about, on average, a dark node will make you about 0.12 BTC every epoch. That's a lot of Bitcoin per epoch. I mean, dude, at that point in time, you can pay back for your Ren, your Ren investment after, well, how many epochs? Well, 10 or just about 10 epochs. So, I mean, dude, on top of that, it's not only paid in Bitcoin, you also get Luna rewards. You get, well, any of the tokens that you're swapping on there. So like Dogecoin, Bitcoin Trash, all kinds of garbage. But anyways, guys, you guys get the point. That's the whole use of a dark node. Yes, there is such thing as slashing on the dark node. So keep that in mind, guys, especially if you're going to be a bad actor. Make sure you guys read all about a dark node. If you want to understand how to use a dark node or make one, there are different ways you can do it. You can do DigitalOcean, AWS, and Google Cloud. I would recommend DigitalOcean because it's a bit more decentralized. And these are all the instructions how you would do it. It's basically running a set of code on your computer. Pretty easy to do, self-explanatory. If you are not that advanced, well, probably wouldn't recommend doing it until you learn more about it. Anyways, guys, that is a quick overview of Ren, how to use the cross-chain bridge. And if you guys enjoyed the video, 3 things for me: like, subscribe, bell button, and leave a comment in that description below saying you subscribed. It'll automatically get thrown into that drawing to earn $100 and free BTC. Wisdom 1 at a time. Proverbs chapter 18 verses 3. When wickedness comes, so does contempt, and with shame comes reproach. Dogs, gotta say thanks to the patrons: Sean Bott, Da Man, Tariq Liu, TL King, JP, PJ, Bernito, Taco Nacho. Dogs, thanks for watching. Alright, guys, if you want to catch me on TikTok, I do daily wisdom one-liners and let you guys see the pets and behind the scenes junk. So here it is. Scan it. Check it out. Bomb. Alright, so next off, guys, if you guys want to support the channel and get paid to do it, you guys can check out Celsius. Celsius is fire, dude. So what's so cool about Celsius is, guys, first off, you can get $40 in free BTC using my referral link in the description below. Just deposit $100. Add in the code BTC50. You will also get an additional $50 if you deposit $400, guys. It's free BTC. Next is Voyager, guys. I also got a referral link in the description below. Instead of just only getting $25, you'll get $25 and some free VGX tokens, guys. Next is BlockFi. BlockFi is part of the quadruple threat. Go ahead and make a deposit. Use this referral link in the description below. You get $100. Depending on how much you deposit, you can get all the way up to, guess how much? $250. All right, so what the pants is Celsius and BlockFi for? Well, you can use both of those as like your bank. They get some pretty nice juicy yields. And Voyager is more so like trading, and it gets some juicy yields as well. And the last one to try is crypto.com, guys. You can trade some like smaller altcoins, and you guys will get $25 in CRO once you guys get the Visa card. Why do I like the Visa card? Well, you can sell crypto and buy some junk with it. So I can buy a sandwich with my crypto. I don't use BTC, but I'll use like stable coins and junk. So anyways, if you guys want to support the channel, that's the quadruple threat. Thanks for tuning in, guys. You'll get paid to do it.